Hello guys, it is EA Info here. If you are not familiar with our channel, here we discuss technology and life hacks for the improvement of our lives. So, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. In today's video, we're diving deep into the exciting field of cloud engineering. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a budding developer, or even an experienced IT professional looking to expand your skill set, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we explore the fundamentals, benefits, and key components of cloud engineering. Let's kick things off by understanding what cloud engineering is all about. Cloud engineering refers to the practice of designing, implementing, and managing cloud infrastructure and solutions. It involves leveraging cloud computing technologies to build scalable, reliable, and secure applications and services. The cloud provides a flexible and cost-effective environment for hosting, storage, and computation, which makes it highly appealing for businesses and individuals alike. You can find our video about cloud computing in description below. Cloud engineering brings numerous benefits to organizations and developers. Firstly, it offers scalability, allowing applications to seamlessly handle varying workloads by automatically adjusting resources. Secondly, cloud solutions provide high availability, ensuring that services remain accessible even during peak usage or in the face of infrastructure failures. Additionally, cloud platforms offer extensive storage capabilities and data redundancy, safeguarding valuable information. Lastly, cloud engineering reduces upfront infrastructure costs, as businesses only pay for the resources they use, enabling cost optimization. To better understand cloud engineering, let's explore its key components. First and foremost, we have cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These providers offer a wide range of services, including compute instances, storage solutions, databases, networking tools, and more. Next, we have virtualization technologies, such as hypervisors and containers, which enable efficient resource allocation and isolation. Moreover, automation and orchestration tools like Kubernetes and Terraform simplify the management and deployment of cloud resources. Finally, security plays a crucial role in cloud engineering, with measures like encryption, access controls, and monitoring systems ensuring data protection. If you're considering a career in cloud engineering, it's essential to acquire the right skills and certifications. Proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, or Go is highly valuable, as cloud engineers often write automation scripts and develop cloud-native applications. Understanding networking concepts and protocols, such as TCP/IP and DNS, is also crucial for designing and managing cloud infrastructure. Furthermore, gaining expertise in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP through certifications such as AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Microsoft Certified Azure Solutions Architect can enhance your professional credibility. As with any field, cloud engineering has its best practices that can optimize your projects. Firstly, adopt a well-architected framework, which provides guidance on building secure, high-performing, resilient, and efficient cloud applications. Secondly, implement infrastructure as code, IAC, practices, leveraging tools like Terraform or AWS CloudFormation to define and provision resources programmatically. Regularly monitor your cloud infrastructure using tools like AWS CloudWatch or Azure Monitor to identify performance bottlenecks or security issues proactively. Lastly, ensure proper data management practices, including backups, disaster recovery plans, and compliance with relevant data protection regulations. To illustrate the practical applications of cloud engineering, let's explore some real-world use cases. Cloud engineering enables companies to launch scalable web applications and APIs, handle large-scale data processing and analytics, build machine learning models, and deploy IoT solutions. You can find our videos about APIs and IoT in the description below. Moreover, Cloud-based storage and content delivery networks facilitate media streaming services, while cloud-native architectures empower the development of microservices-based applications. The possibilities are endless, and cloud engineering continues to revolutionize various industries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.